Are you tired of your bathroom looking plain and dull? What if I told you that with just a few simple hacks, you can transform it into a stylish and cozy space without spending a fortune? Welcome back to our channel, where we share smart and affordable home improvement ideas. Today, I'll reveal some simple yet effective hacks to decorate your bathroom, making it look fresh, modern, and elegant. Definition: bathroom decoration doesn't mean a full renovation. It's about using creative ideas, smart placement, and affordable accessories to make the space look more inviting and functional. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Add mirrors or upgrade the existing one with a stylish frame to create the illusion of a bigger space. Step 2. Introduce indoor plants like aloe vera or bamboo for a fresh and calming vibe. Step 3. Replace old shower curtains or mats with coordinated patterns and colors. Step 4. Use floating shelves or baskets for storage while doubling as decorative pieces. Step 5. Improve lighting by switching to warm LED bulbs or adding a small wall lamp. Tools explained. For these hacks, you'll need basic tools like a measuring tape, a hammer or drill for shelves, adhesive hooks for hanging, scissors for cutting curtains, and, of course, some decorative accessories. Quick tips: always choose moisture-friendly decor like waterproof frames or artificial plants for areas that get wet. Stick to lighter shades to make the bathroom look more spacious. Use matching dispensers and organizers to keep everything neat. Cost comparison: a complete bathroom renovation can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. But with these hacks, you can revamp your bathroom for under $100 to $200, depending on what items you pick. Workflow: plan your theme first. Measure your space. Buy only the necessary items. Start with the walls and shelves, then move to accessories and lighting. This way, your decoration feels structured and complete. Professional notes: interior designers often recommend adding textures like wood, glass, or stone in small details to make bathrooms look high-end. Don't overcrowd the space. Minimalism always works better in smaller areas. So remember, mirrors for space, plants for freshness, shelves for smart storage, coordinated textiles for style, and lighting for warmth. These small changes can make a big difference in your bathroom decor. If you found these hacks helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more home improvement ideas, and share it with someone who's planning to upgrade their bathroom.